sir, this is my journal 4. Ang speaker natin sa journal 4 ay si Sir Gerald Balot. Ang reflection ko doon is dun sa sinabi ng a good friend na mayroong verse na 1 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 3. At ang natatandaan ko pa sa sinabi niya is if there is a bad company, then there's a good company. Pangalawa, a good friend bring out the best in you. Helps you to become a better version of yourself. Tapos meron siyang sinabi na si Andres is the one of disciple of Jesus. Andres bring Peter to Bishop. And ang pangatlong na sinabi niya is will bring you closer to Jesus and make you a blessing Father. Yan lang po yung reflection ko pa sa journal.